All right, I want to thank y'all for tuning in the channel today. Today we're going to talk about one of the first things that I purchased from my RV. No matter what, when it comes in, I measure the foot pads on the jacks. We're going to order the RV snap pads. Now, I ordered the front ones. I've had those on there for a long time. I had them on my last RV. They work great. Let me show y'all what those look like. That's them. Down here, you just get you a measurement of how wide that is. Order these, put them on there. Once you run the jacks down on them, they're not coming off. They're good to go. What I noticed the other day is I was messing around on Amazon and I just did a search and I noticed that they make them for the scissor jacks now, and they also make them for the PSX1. So if you have the PSX1 stabilizer, I can tell you that you're gonna need, they call this the square 6. You're gonna have to measure. One of them's like 5.5, one's like 5 3/4, so it's not a lot of difference. So I ordered the square 6s from the measurements. I thought that's what I needed. Okay, the only thing is you're gonna have to order a 4-pack of them. You can see we've got both of those on each side. PSX1 stabilizer, you need the square 6 RV snap pads. So I want to thank you for tuning in the channel today. If this video helped you, please hit that like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.